can't find my way back to you till you make amends.
Well, here's my log I crossed. And
I can't regret.
I thought I seen a horn, so I put binocs on it. And
Till you find
there.
your way back home.
Not too bad. 4 point. I gotta cross this real quick. Where's that horn? Come on, Brody. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Let me see it. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go find another one. Come on. Let's go. Let's see if there's another one. Let's go look. Brody just brought me another one. I don't know if I even got video. I walked up to where it got messed up because he brought it. He was digging around right there where the ground's all messed up. I was standing over there, could see him by that tree, and he brought me this older one that I've missed a few years. I've always hit this and missed it, and so has other people I know. Come on, Brody, let's go. Let's get another one. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Brody. Good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy. Yeah, that's such a good boy. Let's find another horn. Come on. Well, my dog just found 2 horns in like 5 minutes. I just told him to find them up. I just got up here. Told him to find them up, and he ran over here behind this tree and picked up a fresh little horn right here. Must have been laying right there. Brody, come on. That's it, right there in his mouth. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Such a good dog. Yes, you are. All right, give it to me. Okay, go find him up. Go. Boy, that was pretty neat. I wish I would have got this on video though. On that one, we're on number 3. Good boy. Find him up. Come on. There's our stack already. Probably, I don't know how long of a walk. Probably 20 minutes. Come on, boy. Find him. Find him up. Good boy. Good boy, Brody. Yeah, good boy. Look at all those. Where's it at? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Did a good job, didn't you? Yeah. Good boy. Let me see it. We got an oldie, but a goodie. They ate the crap out of that. Porcupines love them. Not much left. But it's good training for the dog. Huh. Good boy. Good boy. See if we can maybe find another one. Not done yet.
I can't find my way back to you till you make amends with the demons you've been.
What is it? Huh?
I can't regret
What's in there?
leaving you alone till
What's
you
in there?
find your way back home.
Hold on.
Till you find your way back home.